Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're prepping to use Apple Maps offline. First, make sure location services are on and you have a short online window. While connected, open Maps, search the town or route, then rapidly zoom and pan across every street you'll need. This forces the app to download map tiles. Next, save critical stops to favorites and start a turn-by-turn route. Leave it active briefly so the app caches step-by-step instructions for later offline use. Once done preloading tiles, commit the exact routes you'll travel. Begin navigation for each leg so Apple Maps stores the sequence of directions and ETA data. If you need transit times or parking info, capture those details now, take screenshots or note platform numbers because some live data won't persist. Also switch to any map layer you plan to use, satellite or transit, so those tiles are cached. Make sure to walk through any alternate routes while online, so they're available if you detour. Now test the setup. Switch to airplane mode or disable cellular and follow the cached route. Apple Maps will rely on stored tiles and the active navigation sequence. Keep location services on so the app can use GPS. Carry a charger to avoid battery drain from constant GPS. If a section looks blank or a turn is missing, reconnect briefly to refresh tiles and restart navigation. If problems persist, restart the app and repeat the preload steps on that segment to ensure full offline coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.